Meaning of epidemic.
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 Epidemic. An epidemic refers to the sudden outbreak of an infectious disease that spreads rapidly and affects a large number of individuals within a specific community or geographic area. The result can be devastating, with many people falling ill and potentially dying. Epidemics can cause widespread panic and economic disruption, as people may avoid going to work or public places to avoid exposure to the disease. Effective measures such as vaccination, isolation, and quarantine are necessary to prevent and control epidemics. Global cooperation and timely communication are essential to minimize the impact of epidemics on public health.